Already I had uploaded a video for you on the presence of variety of fishes in Moolah River after devastating floods. This year, continuous rains and continuous flow of this river had touched the waters of Sindh. Resultantly, shoals of variety of fishes traveling on opposite directions have reached to the different areas of Moolah. Today I have received videos presence of shoals of fishes can be seen in the slightly muddy waters of Moolah River. Thanks to Mr. Khudabakhsh, resident of Moolah, sending me these videos from Moolah Paniwand.